Welcome back. In the last video, we covered comments, quotes, and escape characters. In this video, we'll learn a much cleaner way to combine text and variables. F-strings. Let's start by looking at the old way of combining variables with text. Open your editor and write name equals Alice. Age equals 25. If we want to print a message combining these, we might write print hello plus name plus you are plus str age plus years old. Run the program. The output is hello Alice. You are 25 years old. Look at how messy that print line is. We had to add manual spaces between quotes, use multiple plus signs, and wrap our integer variable in the str function so Python wouldn't crash. To make this clean and easy to read, Python introduces f-strings. An f-string stands for formatted string. We declare it by putting the letter F right before our quotation marks. Then, we can place any variables directly inside the text using curly braces. Let's write the f-string version. Print F hello name. You are age years old. Run the program. The output is exactly the same. But look at the difference in code. The f-string is much easier to read and write. And notice that we did not need to use the str function to convert the age variable. Python automatically handles the conversion for us inside f-strings. Let's look at a practical, real-world example. Suppose we are building a menu. Let's write item equals burger. Price equals 99. Print F item $price. Run the program. The output is burger $99. This is a clean way to format outputs for store items or receipts. You can also run simple code inside the curly braces, like math. Let's write print F next year you will be age plus 1. Run the program. The output is next year you will be 26. Python executes the expression inside the braces and prints the result. F-strings are the easiest and most readable way to combine text and variables in modern Python. Now, let's test your understanding of f-strings with 3 quick challenges. Look at this first code. X equals 10. Y equals 5. Print F total X plus Y. If we run this, what is the output? Option A, total 15. Option B, total X plus Y. Pause the video if you need time to think. Ready? The answer is Option A, total 15. Python resolves the mathematical operation inside the curly braces and prints the total. Now for the second challenge, name equals Sam. Print F name, name.upper. What is the output? Option A, name, Sam. Option B, name, Sam. Take a moment to decide. Ready? The answer is Option B, name, Sam. You can run string methods directly inside f-string curly braces, and here it capitalized the name. Here is our final challenge, word equals. Python. Print. Word. What will this print? Option A, word, Python. Option B, word. Pause the video and make your choice. Ready? The answer is option B, word. Because we did not place the letter F before the opening quotation mark, Python treated the curly braces as normal text. Excellent job! You now know how to merge text and variables cleanly using f-strings. In the next video, we'll cover comparison operators, which lead us directly into if statements and making decisions in code. Let's keep going.